Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing the answers to the questions of test 2. So without any further delay, let's get started. The question number 1 that we have is, what are the stages of text mining? Consider the example of a complaint: theft of my mobile phone by an unknown person at MG Road on 2023 to 20, that is 20th February 2023. The phone was stolen when I was shopping at a store. The thief was wearing a black jacket and had a scar on his face. Suggest the approach, algorithms, or process to identify applicable IPC BNS sections to recommend applicable BNS, that is Broad National Categories section of IPC, that is Indian Penal Code sections. So let's start with this question. Text mining involves several stages, especially when applying it to structured tasks like identifying relevant legal sections for a complaint. Here's how we can break it down. The stages of text mining include data pre-processing. The objective of data pre-processing is to clean and prepare the text for analysis. The steps that it includes are tokenization, that is breaking the text into individual words or phrases; stop word removal, that is eliminate common words like the, was, etc; stemming or lemmatization, it means to reduce the words to the root forms. For example, reduce the word stolen to steal. Named entity recognition, it means identifying named entities like dates, locations, and objects. For example, 20th February 2023, MG Road, mobile phone, etc. Feature extraction. The objective of feature extraction is to convert the text into a format suitable for machine learning or rule based algorithms. The steps that it has are term frequency inverse document frequency, that is TF-IDF, measure the importance of words in the document. Then bag of words or word embeddings, it means represent the words numerically. For example, using word to vec, glove, or BERT. Dependency parsing, understand relationships between words such as subject, verb, object. Example, phone is the object of stolen. Information extraction. The objective of information extraction is to extract the actionable details from the text. Its steps include event detection, that is, identify key events, for example, theft. Semantic role labeling, determine roles. For example, thief is a person, object stolen is phone. Pattern recognition, use regular expressions or rule based systems for specific patterns. For example, dates, IPC keywords like theft. Classification and mapping. The objective of classification and mapping is to map the extracted details to applicable IPC or BNS sections. The approach for this is number 1, keyword matching. Match terms like theft with IPC section 378. Machine learning classification. Train a classifier using labeled complaints to predict the IPC sections. Ontology or knowledge graphs. Use a legal ontology that maps concepts like theft, mobile phone, and MG Road to relevant IPC sections. Recommendation generation. The objective for recommendation generation is to recommend the most relevant IPC sections. Its steps include number 1, rule based mapping. It is direct mapping rules. For example, theft to section 378. Confidence scoring. Rank applicable sections based on relevance scores from classifiers or similarity measures. Number 6 is evaluation and feedback. The objective for this is to validate and improve the system. The steps that are involved in evaluation and feedback are number 1, compare predictions with expert annotations. That is, use feedback from legal experts to refine the model. And number 2 is confusion matrix. It assesses precision, recall, and F1 scores for classification accuracies. Now, the example process for the complaint. We already saw what the complaint was. Now, we'll be applying the text mining tasks to it. Pre-processing. On tokenization, we get theft of my mobile phone. Named entities are event, theft, object, mobile phone, date. Then for location we have MG Road and person is an unknown thief. Feature extraction. Bag of words are theft, stolen, phone, black jacket, scar. Dependency parsing. Now object of the theft is phone and the action is stolen. Information extraction. The event is theft of mobile phone. The location is MG Road. Thief details. The thief is an unknown person, black jacket and scar on face. Mapping to IPC sections. IPC section 378 is for theft. IPC section 379 is for punishment for theft and BNS categories are property crimes. Recommendation are output will be IPC section 378, IPC section 379 and BNS will be property crimes. The suggested algorithms and techniques for this process include rule based systems. Use predefined rules like keyword matching, for example, theft to IPC 378. Machine learning models, supervised learning. Use labeled complaint data to transfer a classifier, for example, logistic regression and SVM. BERT, fine tune a transformer based model for contextual understanding of legal text. Third, ontology based mapping. Build a knowledge graph of IPC sections and legal terms for logical reasoning. Similarity matching. Use cosine similarity or semantic similarity to match complaint descriptions with predefined IPC templates. And fifth is hybrid systems. Combine the rule based and ML based approaches to leverage the strengths of both. This pipeline can systematically recommend relevant legal sections from the IPC while adapting to various complaint scenarios. So, this was all for question number 1. We'll be continuing with answers to question number 2 and 3 in the upcoming videos. I'll see you in the next one.